Okay, now that we have some data coming in from our data pixel, we've set up some more detailed reports for our web traffic. Let's set up some ranking reports so we can see where your website's ranking on Google and Bing. So to set that up, you can click directly here in your dashboard on View Report, or you can come under Activity Box and click on Rankings. Once you come into Rankings, you have the same setup as you do with web reports, where you click this icon, Create SERP Report, so click that. Now you can choose a website that's already been built in the system. It just makes it easy. If you've created anything in the system, you can just choose it through the drop down. However, if you're trying to track some site outside of our system, all you need to do is put in the URL. And so I'm going to go ahead and track DC Comics. I'm going to see where they rank for Bruce Wayne, Gotham City, those types of keywords. One thing, just put the root of your domain or your subdomain. Don't worry about www or any HTTPS, just put your root domain in. Also, whatever city that you want to track on Google Maps, make sure you put city, comma, and the full name of the state. And then just apply a workspace if you're using workspaces. Hit create. So now at this point, I can go into my report and start adding my keywords. Right now, nothing's happened because I haven't added my keywords. So you can either go in through the edit icon here or directly through the website URL right here. Once you go into the report, your first step is to add your keywords. So click on this button here, Add Keywords. And you add your keywords on its own individual line. So in this case, I want to track Batman, I want to track Gotham City, I want to track Bruce Wayne, also want to track Wayne Enterprises, let's do Wayne Industries. So at this point you're going to click add, and so what this does is it's going to put all your keywords in this table. However, it's not actually going out there and finding where you're ranking yet. We actually only do that one time a day, which is roughly about 2 in the morning Central Time. So if you're in the middle of the day and you just added these keywords, wait 24 hours and you'll start seeing that data. Also, once the data's in, I'll go through the different tabs and different options that you have here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and come back as soon as the data has been added in here. Okay, I'm back. Now that we're starting to get some data in, you can start seeing this information that's being populated within this table. You can delete any keyword at any point. Maybe you made a mistake or you need to add in another keyword. If you add another keyword in, just note, again, it's going to take 24 hours for that data to start coming in for that particular keyword. So in this case, right, so we've gone out on Google, we found that Batman, DC Comics is ranking in the #1 spot for Batman, #4 spot for Bing for Batman, and you can switch between the graphs between Google and Bing by just hitting this tab here. And every day this is going to track for you and you'll see your stats. Once you have enough data in here, you can start separating or filtering your data based on reports. So you have those pre-built report range dates already set, and then you can also do a custom range. In addition to that, you can download your report here, and this will pull in all these keywords, where they're ranking, their changed report, and that way you can send that report off or use it yourself. In addition, you can come out here back to the rankings tab, and you can export this report as well. So if you have 10 or 15 different keywords or domains that you're tracking, and you want to know the total keywords or how many first page placement numbers you have for both Google and Bing, you can export that report directly through here. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. You can, again, you don't have to use our website URLs in your system. You can put any URL that you want to track. Once you've added this in, within 24 hours, you start getting data, and that'll show up in your dashboard, also show up here in this rankings report.